I'm Selena,
I'm Aubrey.
and today we're going to be making slime. Out of 2 pounds of glue, you get this from Dollar Tree. And we're going to use laundry detergent, and what else we're going to be using? And then that's it. And I'm going to be using this spoon. So yeah, and we're using this bowl. And we're going to mix together. Can I go first, Mommy? I've never gone first. Yeah.
Well, you never made slime, probably.
I haven't. So yeah, we're gonna get started. So I'll come back to you. Yeah. So right now we just added our glue. She did too, and she's adding her glue. Right now she's putting it in her activator, I guess. And her slime is being made. How much? Mommy, can I mix up my slime? Her slime is being made. Okay, I'm mixing up my slime right now. Seeing what will happen. It's already forming.
I just washed my hands. I touched it 30 meters.
You guys just gotta keep mixing. My hand is so sticky. Guys, it's gonna turn out blue because look at this. It's pretty much slime.
Feel it. More spoon so you can stir in with straw. Yeah.
And yeah.
One.
Oh my God, Mommy, mine's turning slime.
Can I wash my hand?
Just keep mixing.
Yeah.
Mommy, I think I need a little more because it's not gonna form until I So hers is already starting to be slime. Mine is turning slime. See?
Is there?
Yes.
I'm going to write my will like Selena would do.
What? Poop?
Yeah. Poop.
What's the laundry detergent?
Here.
This stuff. It's gonna completely turn into slime as soon as you start mixing. Okay, I'll come back to you when I'm done. Okay. See you then. Okay, so here's my slime right now. It's almost done being made. She's still adding some more glue. She's still stirring hers. I am too. It's kind of hard. It's very sticky. It's jiggly slime. It's very weird. But yeah, it's slime. I need more activator.
Look,
Thank you.
you can see the laundry detergent.
This is
That
my
means you need to
slimy
mix it.
spoon, so hang on. Okay, we just added some powdered sugar to our slime.
now it's
I have no
making
idea
it
why, but
better.
yeah.
Oh my God, look at mine.